Okay, so let's talk about the BMS course. So its full form is Bachelor's of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. It is an undergraduate UG course. Okay, so it's coming to its duration. Its duration is 5 years, 6 months, 5.5 years, and it's an yearly examination based course. Okay, coming to the eligibility features, it's class 12. Okay, you should have passed with class 12 with physics, chemistry, and biology, three subjects compulsory. Okay, what is its admission process? So its admission process is NEET. Okay, you should have qualified NEET, and on the basis of cutoff you will get government college, or you, if you want to go in a private college, you could go to a private college. Okay, according to the state okay, state cutoffs and all India cutoffs. Okay, so NEET followed by centralized counseling based on performance. Okay, so all India counseling is also there for Ayush courses. Okay, what is its average fee? So if you go into government college, the total fees would be 10,000 to 15,000 for you. Okay, so it's very good. And in private college it's approx 4 lakhs per year, so it's somewhat more cheap. Okay, government college fees is more cheaper than private college. So what are the job positions that you will get? Okay, after BHMS, sorry, after BMS. Okay, I will talk about BHMS also. So job positions, you can become a lecturer, you can become a teacher, you can become a sales representative. Okay, in any company like Patanjali or somewhat. You can become a pharmacist. Okay, you can become a therapist, you can become a scientist, you can become an Ayurvedic doctor obviously, and you can also work in Panchkarma. Okay, Panchkarma practitioner, that is in south states. It is present in south. Okay, you can go to south states and can easily get 30 to 40,000 rupees. Now what are its top recruiting areas where you can get your placements? Okay, so you can get your placements in health sector. You can get in Dabar, Badnath, Himalaya, University of Madras, Kasturba Medical College, okay, Manipal University, and Ayurveda colleges. Okay, so these are the top recruiting areas. So let's talk about what is the average salary. Okay, so that is 20 to 80,000 in government sector. Okay, and 20 to 50,000 in private sector. Obviously private sector offers you less money than the government, because government because Ayurvedic is an Indian product, so obviously you will get more. So the initial salary would be 20,000, and as you progress you will get a higher salary, obviously. So coming to the next, so what is the eligibility criteria? Okay, so so students have at least 50 to 60% in class 12 from recognized board, ICSE, CBSE, state board, any board. Okay, and they should have physics, chemistry, biology in 12 class compulsory subjects. Okay, then you should have qualified the NEET. Okay, as the percentile thing means the cutoff varies every year, so according to the cutoff you should have qualified the cutoff. That's sufficient. And if you want a government college, you should have to bring obviously more marks, because all India counseling is also there, state counseling is also there. So all India counseling is obviously more, and state counseling is less, a less number you have to get. Okay, so approximately in BMS you have to bring 520 to 530 plus marks. Okay, if you want BHU college. Okay, let's come to the BMS subjects. So as you know that BMS course duration is 5 years and 6 months, 5.5 or 5.6, okay, months. Okay, so 5.5 years, and it consists of what? It includes classroom training, it also have practical training, that is internship, workshops, conferences, etc., and 1 year of mandate internship in the 5th year. So you will get approx 20 to 25,000 rupees also. Okay, if you are in government college, and if you are in private college you will get less money in your internship. So the most beneficial thing is you will learn about Sanskrit. Okay, you will learn about Sanskrit, which is our language. Okay, means our the main Indian words are have came from Sanskrit. So you have to get better in Sanskrit, and if you want to do BMS, if your Sanskrit is weak, then you should have to get a tuition for BMS. So the syllabus is made in such a way that 3 professionals of 1.5 years each will be there. Okay, and the subjects that will be taught are Ayurvedic philosophy, history of Ayurveda, toxicology, anatomy, okay, physiology, general surgery, parasurgical techniques, Panchkarma, and others. So you will get both allied as well as BMS course. Okay, modern medicine also you will learn about modern allopathic, some of the allopathic medicines you will learn about, and also about the Ayurvedic. So it is a heavy course. Okay, so you will learn all the MBBS subjects also, like anatomy, physiology, surgery, ENT, all the subjects, including the BMS course also. Now let's talk about what are the top BMS specializations. So after doing BHMS, what you can do means, if you qualify PG, or if you get into a private post graduation college. So what are the top specializations? Okay, so let's see. So you can do parth vigyan, okay, you can do sharir kriya, you can do rasha shastra, okay, you can do sharir rachna, you can do swasthya vitta, you can do agad tantra, you can do charak shamita, you can do rog and vikriti vigyan. So see the hindi, okay, see the sanskrit words are there, okay. You can do prastuti and shriti roga kumura britya, you can do pg in all these specializations, okay. So what let's talk about what are the top bms college, which is the best colleges in india, okay. So first of all, this one, bhu, wonderful college, bhu, most famous college for ayurvedic. So you will have to pay for it 250,000 2,50,000 rupees, okay. Then comes the national institute of ayurveda jaipur, it is 1,15,000, okay. Okay, then comes the Maharashtra University of Health Sciences Nasik, okay. Then comes the Banaras Hindu University, okay, Varanasi. Then comes the Gujarat Ayurveda University Jamnagar, okay. You can see the fees here. Now comes the Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed university, it is a deemed university, okay. Obviously its fees will be high, Pune, okay, you can see the fees. Now comes the next, the Kerala University of Health Sciences Thrissur, okay, the fees is given. Then the NTR University of Health Sciences, okay, Vijayawada, his fees is also given here. Then comes the Baba Farid University of Health Science Faridkot, okay, the fees is also given here, you can see. Then comes the Madhav University Shirohi, fees is given, okay, 1,40,000 rupees. So these were the top colleges for offering BMS. You can get more colleges according to your counseling, okay. Now let's talk about what after BMS course. So successful graduates of the course are hired in both government and private Ayurvedic clinics for positions such as Ayurvedic drug specialist or may pursue private practice. Areas of employment are healthcare, community life sciences, pharma industry, etc. Okay. These graduates are also hired as medical representatives, Ayurvedic doctors, sales representative, area sales executive manager, assistant claims manager, pharmacist, junior clinical trial coordinator. So these are some of the fields where you can get a private job, okay. You can get a government job also, but you have to qualify the exams. Now let's see what are the job profiles, its descriptions and its average salary. So an ayurvedic physician, okay, it treats patient by suggesting them proper body movements, massage, okay. Ayurvedic medicines also they give, and they earn like approx 3.5 lakhs per annum, okay, per year. Now comes the ayurvedic doctor. So ayurvedic doctor employs natural remedies to help patients lead a calm life and overcome the polluting influences, diminishes stresses and battle and illness. So they get a salary of INR approx 14 lakhs per year. Now coming to the next, the medical officer. So you have to give the exam, okay, for medical officer. Government, it is a government post. Private job is also there, but their salary is less. In government you will get more salary. So medical officer, what does a medical officer do? So medical officer serves in hospitals, clinics, NGOs, health setups, which advises people about the different health issues, provides medical support and overseeing the medical programs in different places, okay. And what is the salary? Approx 5 lakh per year. So it is also good. These are initial salaries, you will get more salaries when you have experience, okay. Now the sales representative, you can become a sales representative from ayurveda background, sells and handles the sales part of the particular product like patanjali or Dabur, okay. And its salary is also 2.5 lakh per year. You can become a lecturer, okay. You have to do a PG course, means PG specialization, lecture teachers in college and universities, as you know. So its salary is 2.97 lakhs per year, about 3 lakhs, okay. You can teach all the BMS courses, or the in the what you have done specialization, you can teach it. Now comes the pharmacist, okay. So pharmacist money salary is 2.3 lakhs approx. So it usually checks the physician's prescriptions and provide medications to people. They can work in hospitals, running homes or their own, okay. Then comes the scientist. It is a well-known, means you can get a name, fame, everything if you're a scientist. So scientists in this field will work on the latest discoveries and innovations, so they can earn up to 6.5 lakhs per year. Now you can become an Ayurvedic researcher also. Okay, so an Ayurvedic researcher will work on the R&D part of Ayurvedic medicine. Okay, research and development part. Okay, different components, okay, involved in this field. So they get a salary of approx 3.5 lakh per year. Okay, these are initial salaries. You will get more salaries when you have experience in this field. So these were the all knowledge about full BMS. Okay, I will make more videos on BMS. So thank you till then.